Reflection 100 series, 32 BH, large assist handle, auto leveling, outside kitchen. Storage. Mid-entry, your main slide out, opposing dinette, theater seats, bunk area in the back. Master bedroom up front. Good size bathroom, shower, storage and towel bars. Queen walk around bed, spot for TV, second AC. Washer dryer set up. Assist handle, you got the pocket door. Kitchen area's got good storage. Pots and pans drawer. Pantry beside the fridge. Your theater seats directly across from the entertainment area. Dinette drops down to make a bed. Compass Connect. Again, another pocket door. Bunk area with the slide. Your sofa makes into a bed. Overhead bunk. Entertainment area, spot for TV. Built-in steps. 2 AC ducts. You got windows that open. Fire escape window. All have shades. Brand new 2026 Grand Design Reflection 32 BH.